The Biden administration announced on Thursday that it will be automatically wiping out the federal student loan debt for 323,000 borrowers. The administration will be canceling borrowers' federal student loan debt through the Total and Permanent Disability (TPD) Discharge program. The TPD Discharge program allows student loan borrowers who are unable to maintain substantial, gainful employment due to a physical or psychological medical impairment to get their federal student loans cancelled. However, to get student loans forgiven under the program, disabled student loan borrowers must submit a formal application, which can be challenging for those facing serious health issues. Advocates have long argued that the Department of Education has the ability and the authority to automatically grant TPD discharges to disabled student loan borrowers who are receiving disability benefits through Social Security, provided that they have a disability review period of at least 5 to 7 years. The Social Security Administration had previously identified hundreds of thousands of disabled student loan borrowers who would qualify for TPD discharges, and the agency has shared that information with the Department of Education, but the department had not acted. On Thursday, that finally changed, and the Department of Education will move forward in automatically discharging approximately $5.8 billion in federal student loans for disabled borrowers identified by the Social Security Administration as eligible. Secretary of Education Miguel Cardona characterized the action as in alignment with our strategies from day one to put our borrowers at the center of the conversation. Today's action removes a major barrier that prevented far too many borrowers with disabilities from receiving the total and permanent disability discharges they are entitled to under the law, he said. The move follows additional efforts by the Biden administration to expand federal student loan forgiveness under existing programs, including recently canceling $500 million in federal student loans through the Borrower Defense to Repayment program. These efforts are consistent with the Biden administration's stated goal of providing targeted student loan forgiveness. The Department of Education also indicated that it would be extending additional TPD discharge relief that relaxes paperwork requirements during a 3-year post-discharge monitoring period, during which borrowers have to report their employment status and associated earnings to the department or risk a reversal of their student loan discharge. President Biden had suspended the monitoring requirements in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The department announced today that it will indefinitely stop sending automatic requests for earnings information even after the national emergency ends. Advocates praised the administration's moves.